Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare your skin, how to prepare yourself for an occasion. Now if you're actually a bride or even a guest, going for an occasion, how to glow up your skin. Okay guys, so this particular ingredient, it is not when that day comes that's when you start using it. You have to start using it a few days even before the occasion. Okay, let me show you all of the natural ingredients that would help you to stand out in the crowd. All right, but don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel and share it. And now let me take you right into this video. Okay guys, so this particular ingredient is actually for an occasion, or if you want to use it every day, is perfect. So what this is going to do is that if you want to get your face toned up, your face polished up, you have an occasion you want to go, or if you're a bride and you want to look as if you're the most beautiful person on your day, you're gonna be trying this out. Okay, so the first ingredient which you're going to be needing is this, and this is milk. Now milk contains a lactic acid. Now the lactic acids in this milk helps so much for the skin because it helps to tighten up the skin, which is the number one thing you need for the day. You need your skin to look really tight, and you need to look really glowing, and it also helps to remove fine lines and wrinkles. So it's something you have to use a couple of days before your occasion. Okay, you just don't use it once and then expect a miracle. Couple of days before your occasion, so you have to try it for a few days before you go out for your occasion. Okay, so milk is the first thing you need. And then the very second thing you're going to be needing is turmeric. Now turmeric is a great spice. It's actually a spice used for cooking. It's a great spice that helps so much for the skin. It helps to glow up the skin, make the skin look beautiful, and rejuvenate your skin, and also make you look really, really flawless. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking half tablespoon of this turmeric powder, and then we're going to be putting it in the milk. After doing that, then we'll have to mix it all up. Let it be this thick. Okay guys, so the very next thing, which is very important, necessary and required for this bridal look, is honey. Honey is great for the skin, is a great moisturizing agent. It glows up the skin and make your skin look babyish. It's actually a great remedy that helps you look really, really beautiful, soft, succulent, and it also helps to remove dark spots and as well as fine lines. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of this honey. And then we're going to put it into the turmeric and the honey and the milk, sorry. And then we'll mix it all up. It becomes a little more loose. Okay, so that's perfect. Alright guys, so the last ingredient, which is very important for this, is cucumber. Now cucumber is a great anti-aging remedy that helps so much in removing wrinkles, fine lines. It makes your skin stay healthy, and it also rejuvenates and glow up your skin really good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be taking a little of this cucumber. To have that bright and glowing skin, you need cucumber in your beauty products. Okay, so after that I will then turn this into my blender. And then blend it. So after blending, then I'll get another bowl. I'll get my strainer, and then I'll strain just a little out, which is obviously little. I'll press it out. So after that is done, then I'll take about 2 tablespoons of that and then put inside of my bridal and this is it, guys. This is how it looks. Okay, so after this is done, what you do is that you're gonna apply this to your face, to your chin, and to your neck, all right, area. And since I have a baby inside of my belly, the smell of turmeric is actually very terrible for me to use it on my face, so you guys are gonna excuse me to rub it on my hands. Of course, you can equally apply it on your body because it's literally a bridal treatment. Yeah, so what you do is that you apply this onto your face just like this. And this is it. Like that. You apply a good amount, generous amount of it onto your face, your chin, and your neck. Okay, so after applying this, you'd have to leave it on for a little while, and after that is done, then you would have to rub it in a circular motion just like this. Circular motion just like this. Okay, so after you've rubbed it like that, then the very next thing you do is to apply it again onto your face. That is the second coating. You need the second coating for this. Okay, so after the second coating, you would be leaving it for it to dry a little bit. Okay, now after that's done, then you would have to wash it out. Now you have to use a mild soap to wash it out because it has turmeric in it, and it has to the turmeric has to leave your skin so you can see the real beauty of this. So you use this like 3 days before your due day, and your skin will be really glowing. So that's it, guys. Apply it just like I've told you. Use it just like I've told you, and then you would have to use it days before your occasion, and on that day you are going to be looking outstanding. Your skin is going to pop. People are going to be asking you, what are you using? All right, so go give this a go. All right, guys, so I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then bye.